Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what happens if you drink clove tea for a week. Clove tea is a delicious and aromatic beverage that has many health benefits. So, what is clove tea? Clove tea is made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Indonesia and other tropical countries. Cloves have a strong, sweet, and spicy flavor that can enhance the taste of many dishes. They are also rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and bioactive compounds that have various health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of drinking clove tea for a week. 1. Clove tea can aid in digestion. It can stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes and reduce nausea, dyspepsia, and flatulence. To improve your digestion, you can roast some clove buds and powder them. Then, take a teaspoon of this powder with honey after meals. 2. Clove tea can protect your liver. It has hepatoprotective properties that can prevent liver damage caused by free radicals 1. It can also increase the metabolism and reduce the oxidative stress in the liver. 3. Clove tea has antibacterial properties. It can kill harmful bacteria that cause infections, such as cholera, E. coli, and Staphylococcus aureus. You can use clove oil or extract as a natural remedy for bacterial infections. 4. Clove tea can relieve toothache and oral diseases. It contains eugenol, which is a natural painkiller and anti-inflammatory agent. You can apply some clove oil or powder to the affected tooth or gum to ease the pain and inflammation. Cloves can also prevent plaque formation, cavities, and bad breath by inhibiting the growth of oral pathogens. 5. Clove tea has anti-cancer properties. It can inhibit the growth of tumor cells and induce apoptosis, cell death, in various types of cancer, such as lung, colon, breast, prostate, and esophageal cancer. Cloves can also enhance the effects of chemotherapy drugs by increasing their uptake by cancer cells. 6. Clove tea can regulate blood sugar levels. It can improve insulin sensitivity and glucose uptake by muscle cells. It can also prevent diabetes complications by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 7. Clove tea can boost your immune system. It has immunomodulatory effects that can enhance the production and function of white blood cells. It can also fight against viral infections by inhibiting the replication of viruses such as herpes simplex virus type 1, HSV1, and hepatitis C virus, HCV. 8. Clove tea can improve your bone health. It is a good source of manganese, which is essential for bone formation and mineralization. It can also prevent osteoporosis by increasing bone density and reducing bone resorption. 9. Clove tea can reduce inflammation and pain. It has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can modulate the activity of inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins and cytokines. You can use clove oil or extract to treat inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, rheumatism, headache, and muscle soreness. 10. Clove tea can lower your blood pressure. It has antihypertensive effects that can relax the blood vessels and reduce the force of blood flow. It can also prevent hypertension by regulating the levels of sodium and potassium in the body.